everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some DIY lash clusters. It is by this brand right here. I believe it's pronounced Gollee. So I have this set right here, which is number 18. And then I have this set right here, which is number 13. I think I'm going to go with number 18, just because I like really long, just like wispy. These are long as well. These are a little more wispy. These are more full, and I really want to see what the full effect looks like. I will be reviewing these later on my channel as well. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will be trying those out as well. They also sent me some lash glue that's like this, which I won't be using this one today. They sent me this one as well, which is the one that I'm going to be using. It is actually sold on Amazon, and I will be linking where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below if you guys are interested. But this is what that lash adhesive looks like. And it is just a little brush. It's not like a micro mascara one, which I usually like the micro mascara one more. And then they did send me some tweezers in this carrying case. They look really nice. They're really pretty. It's like a blue. So that's what they look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get right into this so this video is not super long. I'm going to flip my mirror to the magnifying side so that I can see a lot better, and I'm going to scoot you guys in. So like I said, I am going to be applying these one today, and I'm going to start out with number 16. So this has 16 millimeters, 14, 12, and 10. So I'm going to start out with the 16 and use some 14s, and we'll see. Maybe use the 10s or 12s. We'll see. Okay, so when grabbing these, you always want to grab from the top, like right here, and then pull down. I mean, it's going to rip. If you don't grab it that way, it's going to rip. So I'm just going to get this adhesive, and I'm just applying it at the very base, like right there, like that. Applying it this way does take a little longer because you have to wait for each individual lash to dry. If you have the micro mascara one, you brush it underneath, and then it all gets tacky around the same time, so it's a lot faster to apply it that way. But you can mix and match different things. So let me go ahead and start with this side, since that's the side that you guys can see. So I'm trying to make it to where you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So I just go from underneath. So just like that. This is not very sticky. Hold on. Okay, so that glue takes too long to get tacky. It would be good for like a strip lash, but for these, I need it to dry down a little faster. So I'm not going to be using that glue today. I'm actually just going to use my clayless glue, just because this one gets tacky, and I want to show you guys what the lashes look like. And this is a glue that I'm comfortable with, and it gets tacky super quick. So with this, all you do is apply it like a mascara. Just like that. And then you want to grab the lash, and this glue gets tacky pretty quick. As you can see, just like that. And I'm going to do another 16. Just like that. Then we're going to do another one. just like that. Now I'm going to go with a 14. So I did 3 16s. Now I'm doing the 14. I'm trying to let you guys be able to see as well. So we just go right underneath here. Just like that. And then I want to do a 12 and then a 10. So this is the 12. Trying to make it to where you guys can see. Just like that. And then I'm going to see if I can't fit a 10 in that very corner right there. These are really pretty lashes. Okay, and that is what it looks like. These things are intense, super pretty. Let me go ahead and flip this way so I can see. Yes, those are very pretty. Make sure nothing's sticking. Let's show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like from the side. They are super, super pretty, super full on. They're not uncomfortable at all. They're actually quite comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is what they look like with both eyes completed. Super, super pretty. Look how pretty these are. They're just like really, really pretty. I did get a little bit of glue on my fingers, but they are so gorgeous. I absolutely love these. This is definitely a style that I want to keep wearing. They're just so full and just, hold on, let me turn off that. They're just so full and really bring out the eyes. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with my makeup completed so you can see how beautiful these are, because I look a little ratchet right now with no makeup on. Okay, and that is what it looks like with makeup on. They are gorgeous. Super, super pretty. I absolutely love this set. You can see they look like your real lashes. You cannot tell that I am wearing false lashes. These things are pretty. Definitely in my number one, my top 5 playlist. I wouldn't say number 1, but at least my top 5. These are really, really, really pretty. Just absolutely gorgeous. I need to turn this off because I keep looking over there. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down in the description part below. I'm sorry that I was not able to use the lash glue. Like I said, I think they'll be really good with like regular lash extensions. Let me go ahead and open this and kind of see. I don't know. I'm not really familiar with this, because this says it's for professional use only, and I know that you have to be really careful with using these because I've heard of people like being able to go blind if you're not careful. So I'm kind of iffy about using this just because I've never used anything like this before. This would work, but it's just going to take a lot longer for each segment to dry. And when I'm doing lash clusters, like if I was doing strip lashes, I would be fine with that. But when you're doing lash clusters, it's better when you get a lash glue that's sticky right off the bat. So I do like that. These tweezers are honestly like one of the best tweezers I've ever used. You just got to be careful because this is like needle, like literally super, super sharp. So do not poke your eyes. Be really careful when using them. But I do like them because when you get lash glue, like in between your lashes, you can go through them and like kind of pick it out, because there is a point. Normally I'll get like a needle and do that anyway, but with these I don't have to do that. So I do like these. You just have to be a little more careful when using them, like I said, not to poke your eye. But everything else, like I love this set. Like I said, I will be using these ones, which are a little more wispy, later on my channel. I just like the fullness of these lashes. I really like these. They're absolutely gorgeous. And if you wanted to, you can also stack these if you want to give like a really just fluffy look. I usually don't, just because I don't think I need to. I think they look pretty just as is. But if you just want a little more fluffier look, you can stack them and it'll still be super beautiful. But yeah, that pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.